In this video, we'll look into constants and enumeration in VBA. Now, let us see constant. Let us declare a constant const c as integer is equal to 2. Now, I'll declare a subroutine here, sub-lst, and here I'll take dim x as integer. Now x is equal to, I'll multiply this c into 3. Now I'll show this in a message box. I'll show the subroutine name first, lst, and then I'll give a arrow here so that it will distinguish it from it, ampersand, and I'll show x here. Now if I run this, we got in the lst subroutine that multiplication is 6 because 2 is the value of the integer c. It is declared in the declaration variable, not inside this subroutine, it's outside this subroutine, and c x is equal to c into 3, that is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So this is outside the subroutine, the value of c, it is getting it from the general declarations section. Okay, now if I declare c here, dim c as integer. So for dim, I'll declare it as a const c as integer is equal to 3. So now we'll multiply c into 3. So we'll see whether it will take this 3 as c or 2 as c. Now let's run this. So we got the multiplication as 9. That is, inside the subroutine, c has been declared as 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. It is showing it as 9. So but if I take one more subroutine, sub my test, and inside this I'll declare dim y as integer, and y is equal to, I say c into 3, and I'll show the message box, and my test is the subroutine, ampersand y. So my cursor is inside this my test. Now let us see what will be the value. Run this my test, the value is 6. So inside the my test we didn't declare any const, so it has taken this value 2 from the general declaration section. So 2 into 3, it is showing y as 6. So if there is a const inside the subroutine, so that will be given reference, and the multiplication will take place with that value. But if constant is not declared inside the subroutine, then the constant value will be taken from the general declaration section. Now let us see how we can declare enum. So let me delete this. Here enum car. So I'll take Toyota, Honda, Benz, and enum. Now I'll take a subroutine here, sub lst, and in the message box I can access that enum values. So if I say car dot Toyota, Then if I run this, the Toyota value is 0. So the numbering starts from 0. So if I say car dot Honda, if I run this, it is 1. So 0, 1, and if I say bench, then it will show me 2. So that's how we can declare this enumeration variable. Now let us declare a rating enum and see how we can use it. So if I say enum rating, I'll set poor is equal to 1. I'm initializing it, and good is equal to 2, and excellent is equal to 3. So we got these 3 ratings. So inside this subroutine, I'll take dim str as string, and I will take an input box and get the value from the user for the rating. Str is equal to input box, enter rating 1 to 3, 3 being best. Now if str is equal to, if rating dot excellent is equal to str, then I can give a message box excellent. Because rating dot excellent value is 3, so if we gives 3, then rating dot excellent is excellent. Else if rating dot good is equal to str, then Messagebox good, else Messagebox good. So now I have to end the if statement, and if. So now if we run this, so if I give 3, okay, so excellent. We run it again. If I give 2, good. Run it again. If I give 1, poor. So this is how we can use this enum variable in comparing the values with the user input. So there will be various other uses. This is one of the use. Now let us create a country enum and see one more example. Enum country. So here USA is equal to 1. This one Germany is equal to 2. India is equal to 3. And here dim str as string, and we'll take dim code as integer, because we'll try to get these codes. For USA the code is 1, Germany code is 2, for India code is 3. So please enter a country here, and ask the user in the input box, please enter a country name. And if str is equal to USA, you can just compare that str is equal to USA, then you can say that code is equal to country dot USA. Else if str is equal to Germany, then code is equal to country dot Germany. Else if str is equal to India, then code is equal to country dot India. Then here we can show in the message box whatever the code it is based on the country the user enters. Now let us run this. So please enter a country name. I enter USA. Okay. So the code is showing it as 1 message box code. So now let us run again. I'll enter Germany. Okay. The code is showing it as 2. Now let us run again. I'll enter India. The code is showing it as 3. So this is how we can use the enum variable in showing these codes. Please like, share and subscribe to SQL VBA Bytes channel.